walls.
See, there's my blue curtains for that bathroom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll look good in there.
And I got, I have, there. Well, you see only for my windows, but they don't have no windows. Oh, okay. Well, I got this. So with that, it looks like yeah, it's gonna go under my curtains because not my privacy.
I feel like you would take your phone in the bathroom with you.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'm making a video right now. What?
Yeah.
Oh, oh,
Opened up again.
are they doing too much? You playing basketball from where I'm
I think he
guessing.
went out and did too much to the garage. But the next, she said that the lady told him today that they're not there yet, but, they might have to do skid row. Cause it's not, they won't close.
John, can you go grab the stand?